Muhammad? Yes. Is your hair real? Is your hair real? Okay, 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 show me, show me. Do like this. Like take your hair and like lift your hair. Lift it. Oh, it's real. Nice hair. Looks nice. I give it you
See,
nice hair.
yeah, you
What?
have
I'm
nice
not
hair.
mean. I'm not. Yes, nice hair. Don't say thank you. Thank mama and daddy. Mama and daddy give you hair. Looks good. Good job. No, it's fake. I'm joking. No, my hair real. Yeah, yeah. I'm blue eye boy. Thank you very much. I like girls. I'm joking though. By the way, it's a joke. It's a joke. But thank you. Yeah, actually, my eye color is three colors: blue, green, yellow. See? Yeah. Why?
Wow.
Don't say wow. You have a boyfriend. I don't want your crazy boyfriend coming after me.
What? What colleague of
You
my
have a
boyfriend?
boyfriend. Don't do that. Don't say wow. You have a boyfriend. Don't do that.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
you know
exactly.
it's
Okay,
wow.
okay. I have to leave. I'm scared of your boyfriend.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right? I should leave. Okay. It was nice to meet you guys.
Bye bye.
Follow me. I have my own stream, by the way, so you can follow.
Okay, okay, okay.
Or maybe. Hey, boyfriend. Hey, boyfriend. I like you too, buddy.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah, I hear you. I'm good. How about you? I'm from Philippines. Yeah, I know Pakistan, but it's name. But I've never visited in. I have been visit in Pakistan. Really? Mm, nice. What are you doing now? What do you do for a living? What is now? What do you do for a living? Oh, really? So are you married? Are you married? I'm taken. Yeah. No, but I have a boyfriend. No, I have a boyfriend. No, I'm married in Chinese. I have a boyfriend. Soon, soon. How about what? Almost 1 month. Yeah, or yeah, 1 month. You? Yeah, almost 1 month. For improve my English. Improve my English actually. Oh, I see. Mm. So how old are you? By the way, can I ask? Oh.